Quick video for you guys. WTF gold. What the fuck is it? Well, it is this little guy right here. It is the wrench that fits. Each one of these little steps here, one side's metric, one side's standard, will fit standard sized stuff. I believe that's a 1/4 inch at the end. Oh, we can check that super duper quick. Plenty of bits. Yeah, so if you combine that with any standard bit there, kind of works as a screwdriver. Why are you making a whole video on the site? Well, I got gold, and I didn't know if I'd like it. I think I got gold because like other options I didn't like, or I should have just gone standard plain titanium. But the gold ended up coming in and ended up looking pretty cool because the edge of it is blue. I do appreciate that. That's kind of cool. That does look really, really awesome. If you're wondering, you're like, huh, I thought you already had one of these. If we go over and look at the keys. Cut that last little part where I show the key out. I do indeed have one of these already. Right here. This was not this guy, that's the James brand. If running the knife from them is going back, I have to get that shipped out. Here it is. Wrench that fits. This was actually a rainbow colored one. And it has seen its fair share of stuff. If you can tell, they've actually updated it a little bit. Here we just have the kind of scalloped serrations. Right, that's just so you get some grip. This is a pry bar. That's actually what I mostly used it for. Used it all the time when I was working at Geek Squad. And even more so once I went to being an on-site tech. A lot of times you just need a little something to get in there. And you don't, like, say you could go to your bag and grab a tool out or something, but sometimes this is just enough. Just anything really to get in there that's a little bit, you know, thinner, stronger than your finger. But yeah, they went with the scalloped lines on the new one. By the way, this was done by the previous owner of Tactical Keychains, same guy that makes the Tuck Junior over there, you know, and here's a Tuck HD in Hunter Orange, beautiful with that stylized clip there. Finally got mine. Check that video out, super nice. What they did, what the new owners did, I believe it's Three Brothers. They changed that to, instead of just being scalloped cuts, to being all this different millings here. To your finger, it feels smoother than that, but you can tell that all that is milled. Come on. We should have macro video, but I might have had to do that before I started shooting. Enable that. 1 second. Alright, there we go. Macro video. I think it says that you can switch to macro video while you're filming. I have yet to get that to work on the Pixel 7 Pro, but if you tell it goes into macro mode and then you start, look at that. You can see all that. I think this could be a little bit deeper. But I can see why they switched the pattern. And you got the blue on the side. That looks really good with the gold. I'm glad I went with some sort of a color. I've been going quite bland lately with the, I don't know. I've been digging just the classic titanium. It's always a clean look. What they did do also on this side is they gave that a little bit of an angle right there. So it's not just flat. Like on this guy, it is just flat. They just gave that a little bit of a bevel right at the end, and that kind of closer to a screwdriver, and that just makes it a little bit easier to get into things. So we'll see how this one wants to sit. I always try to get the split ring right there onto this side, but for the longest time, this one always loved to flip around. You can see this, especially now in macro mode, all the little scratches and everything. This used to be a bright rainbow as well, from a bright blue through purple to gold, because that's like those are the common colors that you can anodize titanium. But you can see there where I was actually getting wear from I believe it was a steel split ring at the time, where it was actually deforming the titanium. Ever since going to this little bit bigger one, with that's the titanium coated ones that I like, haven't had that issue. But we'll be popping this guy off. It's seen its use, that is for sure. And you know, like here for example, this back part used to be that color, like that used to be that. So it's seen its use. Still good actually. Still rock it every day. But when I got a chance to buy a new updated one from the new owners, thought I might as well take it. And I am happy I ended up going with the gold. Especially once I saw the like blue accents on it. Looks really nice. All right, guys. Alright guys, if you have any questions, comments, throw them down below. As always, I'm at TheProfosist. You can find me over on Twitter, Instagram, Threads. We have our Discord link down below if you want to talk EDC stuff. As I do try to update things as I see them come out. There are others in the community that do as well. Like when the new Tactical Keychains Tuck XL dual colors came out. I was working at the time, didn't happen to see that push through. And some of the community sent the link my way. So if you want to contribute and that sort of stuff, hang out, talk some shop, etc. Especially IT shop. We'll see you in the Discord. Otherwise, hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Have a good one as always. Peace.